I'm Chandrali and I was a student of Bhavan. I studied with Prakash Ranjan sir for about 2 years, and I don't think I've seen a more effective and a more competent physics teacher. So I'd like to begin by saying that the concepts of physics in class 11 and 12 are quite difficult to grasp, especially if you're preparing for JEE or for NEET, because competitive exams have a rather difficult to grasp format. And Prakash Ranjan sir always made sure that we understood all the concepts clearly. He was very lucid in his explanations. He gave us very frequent doubt clearing sessions, and he took mock tests also of different types for JEE mains and for JEE advanced differently. He constantly tried to get us used to the atmosphere that we would face in an examination. Prakash Ranjan sir kept us constantly motivated throughout this entire journey. And physics is actually my high scoring subject in JEE Advanced, and I would like to attribute all my success to him. And I would totally recommend him for any juniors who are taking the examination in future. I'd like to wrap up by saying best of luck to all my juniors and that you can do it. It might seem difficult, but it's not impossible. Thank you.